Dear student, let us come back to our class 7, the value education class. So in the last class already I have discussed the introduction of concern. So let us read this story. Look at your book. There was once an old mango tree in Tanshuk village. Everyone loved the tree and had a great respect and concern for it. One day, a tenant moved into the house next to the tree. He did not know anything about the tree and decided to cut it down. So the story says that once there was a old mango tree in particular village. Then everyone loved the tree and had a great respect and concern for it. Then once the tenant moved around the house beside the tree, and he does not know about anything about the tree and decided to cut it down. Every time I look out of the window, I cannot see a thing except for the dumb old tree. It is blocking all my sunlight. He crept to his neighbors. So now the tenant is complaining. When I looked outside the window, I cannot see. And the sunlight is blocking, so I cannot see anything. But it was not so easy to chop down the mango tree. The man realized that he needed help. He went around to all his neighbors to ask for help. Of course, nobody agreed. In fact, they all warned him, but their pleadings fell on deaf ears. So the tenant went to the neighbors for the help to cut the tree, but the neighbors were not ready to help the person. Very well, then, if you do not want to help, I will cut it down myself, said the tenant. Now the tenant is saying that if you don't want to help me, so I will cut it down of myself. Then the night before the man was planning to cut down the tree, when the man was planning to cut down the tree at night, he had a dream. In his dream, he saw lightning flash in the dark sky. In his dream, he saw the lightning flash in the dark sky. He heard the wind roaring. The old tree was quaking and crying. He heard that the wind roaring and the old tree was quaking and crying. Then the old tree is saying, my time has come. There is no goodness left in the world. It was a kind man who lived here before. Then now the old tree is admiring the person who lived before and cared for him. He and his wife were concerned about me and admired my beauty. And admiring about the person who lived before, that how they were concerned about the tree and admired the beauty of the tree. I never heard any person to be sad, but now my strength has gone, for I no longer feel a human heart beside me. I am lonely, I am dying. Now the tree is saying that now the human heart now no longer feel a human heart beside me. Now the human who is living here has no love for me and no concern about me. So I am lonely and I am dying. There was a sharp sudden crack and the tree lurched to one side. Then there was sudden crack and the tree lurched to one side. Just at the moment, the mind woke up from his dream. The very first thing he did was to run to the window. The tree was standing calmly as if nothing had happened. The mind's heart filled with relief. May God be with you, good tree. Live well, for you are truly good. From then, one of the mind did not harbor my desire to cut the mango tree. He cared for it for the rest of his life. So, dear student, it's a very interesting story. Then finally, the tenant come to realize that the importance of the tree. So, dear student, I hope you understood this particular subject topic about the concern, and read the story at least 3 times and try to understand. So thank you. We will meet in the next class. Okay.